Welcome to the Artificial Intelligence Academy. This is Lawrence Wilson here in Silicon Valley. I'd like to share with you the Deep Learning with TensorFlow training program, which includes training on applications ranging from deep neural networks all the way to and through machine learning. This particular training program includes couple of very key technologies. First and foremost, Keras, which is the open source neural network library written in Python, along with Jupyter Notebooks, the interactive computing environment. Now, the training program is structured around 5 training modules, like most of our training programs, each of which is designed to give you a core skill. These modules include Introduction to Deep Learning, How Deep Learning Works, Convolutional Networks, Introduction to TensorFlow, as well as Improving Deep Networks. And the key learning objectives for this program focus around building deep learning models with TensorFlow and Keras, as well as interpreting the results of deep learning models, troubleshooting and improving deep learning models, as well as understanding the language and fundamentals of artificial neural networks, and finally, building your own deep learning project according to your professional needs and preferences. So as you can see, this program offers a lot of valuable core skills related to TensorFlow and deep learning. I encourage you to visit our website by clicking the link below our video. We have all the details on each of these different technologies covered in this course, the full course curriculum, as well as details on how you can register today for this training program and begin advancing your career and opening up new income and earnings opportunities. This is Lawrence Wilson for the Artificial Intelligence Academy, signing off. As always, I wish you much success. We'll see you soon.